I'm HVAC repair guy. I'm a former Navy nuclear electrical operator with over 17 years of hands-on HVAC experience. Today we are looking at two heat pump systems at very different price points to help you make a smart buying decision. We are doing a direct comparison between the Tempstar T5H8T and the Thermal Zone TZP14AY. When you walk up to these outdoor cabinets, you notice two very different styles of equipment protection. The Tempstar features a traditional wire guard wrapped around a steel frame to protect the coil. Thermal Zone upgrades you to a sturdy steel louvered panel layout design instead. That means hail and stray rocks from the lawnmower cannot easily bend the aluminum fins on the Thermal Zone. Looking at heating efficiency under the hood, the Tempstar delivers a much higher 8.5 heating seasonal performance factor. The Thermal Zone unit comes in at a lower 7.6 rating. That higher efficiency means the Tempstar extracts significantly more heat from the outdoor air while consuming less electricity. Over a long heating season, you will notice that efficiency difference directly on your monthly utility bill. Both systems utilize advanced two-stage compressor technology designed to improve comfort control. Tempstar is built by International Comfort Products, which is a major subsidiary of Carrier Corporation. It shares the same premium assembly lines and internal components with high-end communicating systems. Thermal Zone is a private label equipment line engineered and manufactured by Rheem. It is designed from the ground up to provide contractors with a heavy-duty, no-frills system built on commercial-grade cabinet elements. The Thermal Zone equipment costs an average of $1,800 with an average installed price of $5,400. The Tempstar equipment averages $2,400, bringing the average total installed price to $6,900 after upgrading the thermostat and wiring. The factory protection plan offers a massive safety net against expensive component failures. Thermal Zone provides a standard 10-year compressor warranty and a 10-year parts warranty. Tempstar matches that 10-year protection layout, but they also include a premium 10-year, no-hassle comfort pledge. If the compressor or outdoor coil leaks within that first decade, the manufacturer replaces the entire outdoor heat pump unit instead of making a technician weld in a repair part. If I had to put my name on one of these installs, it would be the Tempstar T5H8T. You get a significant jump in winter heating efficiency and a 10-year unit replacement warranty that completely protects your investment. The superior thermodynamic performance and factory protection are worth the added upfront cost. Shop like a pro.